This year, our company 41 years, and we have been building the cables for data communication. Our cable has been used in data communication industry. For example, NTT in Japan, or airport, one of the biggest airport in Japan, or Universal Studio Japan. We use those technologies to go into the consumer product. Like 17 years ago, the number of business partners are increasing, and in Asian area we have China, of course, in the Korean your company, Taiwan, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia also, and in Europe we have in Italy, Germany, France, England, the United Kingdom. Now we are trying to get more distributors, the business partners outside Japan, and this coming April we are attending the audio show in Chicago. Expo we are attending, exhibiting. On May, we are exhibiting at high-end in Munich, Germany. Yes, and we will try to get more business partners at the exhibition as well. After the COVID pandemic, people are going outside more, and the things that people use their money has been changing, which means they are not paying so much money for the audio, the equipment. So the industry in Japan is also not so good, it's decreasing as well.
Correct.
For the USB cables, it's been quite a long time after we start selling those, and they are still in a, people really still buy them. So we don't really feel that we really need to come out with a new product for USB.
You need to more than cable.
More people are into the network audio
and streaming.
and streaming. Yeah, that's we are focusing more onto the LAN cables. We have started our company with the digital cables, and our technologies are especially for digital cables. From our background, we have been manufacturing and developing the digital cables, so we develop more onto the digital cables.
Many years ago,
Yes,
I asked him,
yes.
"Do you have any plans for analog cables?" He said no.
Oh, okay. It's almost the same. We'll just focus on our specialty.
Only digital.
Yes. To be honest, he personally also actually want to produce analog cables, but as long as if there is anything very special, then we won't be able to win to other companies.
You feel like late?
Yes, yes. Actually, for C2C cable, we have been thinking about it, but haven't made it as a product yet. For the smaller duct, maybe if we make C2C cable, then maybe our cables would be a little bit expensive than maybe people want. To be honest, we haven't had any plan for 10 or 11 yet, but surely we will get there with the better quality.
Really?
So even for the NA9, we were struggling for a long time to produce NN9. If we think about more than NN9, that's gonna be really challenging. So if we talk about the standard, it's not a hard thing, but evaluation is the hardest thing. We cannot just test if it's good or not. If we change one material, then the sound would change also. So we have to try and test, and that's a very hard point. Previously, it was even heavier. So we are always trying to make it lighter, not too heavy. We are focusing more onto the quality. Make a really good quality cable. We have to test a lot and evaluate a lot. So that will cost. Maybe because we don't want to just sell the cables without very good quality. That's our pride. So,
You mean less price is have less quality?
yes, that's what we. There are still many users that they don't even know about our name or our product. Yes, in the world. As I said before, we will be attending Expo and High-End and other exhibitions in the future. We still have to expand our brand and our name, get new users inside also and outside of Japan. Before they choose our product, have a maybe chance to, especially in the exhibition or in the event, they will be able to actually listen to the sound. They will be able to see and listen to the sound, the quality, and our products is very reliable because our inspection is very good. When we started, especially for LAN cable, many people were telling us the same thing. We rent our cables before they buy it, and many people noticed that there is a big difference between our cable and other normal cables. We have the special shields, and that will reduce the noises and make really good sound.
You mean user can prove it?
Yes, you can improve it by themselves,
Okay.
by listening to the sound. For the beginners, it might be a little expensive,
Yeah.
but still we recommend NN9. NN9 the quality is really good. So even the beginners can differentiate the sound. Most of the beginners start with NN2. Many of them can tell the difference between the previous cables they were using and NA2. After they love the sound of NA2, they will step up to NA6 or NA9. That's how it is in Japan, but what we recommend would be maybe NA9. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Without the noise or without doing something, we will just simply sending the source,
Okay.
the signal to.
そうですね。これからも皆さんに喜んでもらえる製品を一生懸命作っていきますので、引き続きよろしくお願いします。
두근두근 오디오.
사랑해요.
사랑해요.
아이시대로.
사랑해요. 두근두근 오디오.
오케이.